Welcome to our budgeting training. This video will walk you through using two essential tools, the monthly budget spreadsheet and the spending budget tracker. Why budget? Budgeting gives you control over your money. It helps you prioritize spending, save for goals, and identify where your money is actually going. To make budgeting effective, we'll use two key resources, the monthly budget spreadsheet for planning and the spending budget tracker for real-time monitoring. Our main goal with this process is achieving a balanced budget. We want to understand if we'll have a surplus or a shortfall at the end of the month. Let's start with the monthly budget spreadsheet, your planning blueprint for the month ahead. The spreadsheet is divided into key sections: income, expenses, and the overall balance. The expense categories cover everything from housing to entertainment, allowing for a comprehensive view. First, you'll enter your estimated monthly income. This should be your expected total income for the month, including all sources. Next, input your estimated expenses. Be sure to account for both fixed expenses, like rent, and variable expenses, such as groceries or entertainment. Now that you have your estimated income and expenses, it's time for the most crucial step, balancing the budget. The spreadsheet automatically calculates your total expenses and then subtracts them from your total income to reveal your expected surplus or shortfall. This calculation is vital. A surplus means you have extra funds to save or invest. A shortfall signals you need to adjust your estimated expenses immediately. Once the monthly budget is set, we move to the spending budget tracker, where you monitor actual spending. The tracker's purpose is real-time monitoring. You record every transaction, ensuring you capture exactly what you spend in each category throughout the month. For every purchase, input the date, amount, and, crucially, categorize it according to the monthly budget spreadsheet categories. Consistency here is key. At the end of the month, transfer the actual spending totals from your tracker back to the monthly budget spreadsheet. This lets you compare actual spending against your initial estimates. The final stage of the budgeting process is review and adjustment. This is where you learn and improve. Compare the actual spending recorded in the tracker against the budgeted amount in the spreadsheet. Be honest about where you overspend. Identify categories where spending exceeded the budget. For the next month, plan to adjust those categories or find ways to reduce unnecessary spending. By consistently using both the monthly budget spreadsheet and the spending budget tracker, you gain a clear, controlled path to financial health. Start budgeting today.